Welcome all. Today we'll understand that concept of function library. As we see in the previous videos, many functions we just seen there. Now we will understand today that concept of function library is also given there in Excel. So where we can find the function library, you just open Excel and just see the formulas tab on the ribbon. Click on the formulas tab and you will see the function library options here. Now what is a function library? Actually in the Excel there are many functions. So to overcome that, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of the formula tab. Now we are having different groups are there, though just have a look on that. We are having recently used, financial, logical, text, etc. And you can see different types of functions are in a different group whichever they belongs to. So we can use functions from here also. So we will today see two functions from maths and trigonometry, or trig you can say in that. That is Lcm and Gcd. So let us start that. So first we start with the function Lcm. So what is the Lcm? I think many of you know that what is Lcm is. The least common multiple is the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of all the numbers provided as a argument. So just check that. Suppose we are having some numbers with us. Okay, so how we apply this function LCM to that? So let us start from that only. That click on the cell where you want the results. Here, now click in the math centric. Click on LCM, and you will notice that as you click on that, the function will get inserted. Now it is asking for the arguments there. So there are different ways to insert the arguments. The first you can give individually. Suppose number 1 it is asking, so you just click on number 1 and click on the cell. Click on number 2, click on the second cell, click on the third number text box and just click on the third number. So instantly you will get the result here. Okay, and when you click OK there, this will provide you what? This will provide you the result of the formula there. So this is what we are having. We can directly use the function from the function library like this. So as you just click on to the formula argument there, then you provide the argument as the cell addresses or the values also you can provide, and this will give the results to you as you click and press enter there. Now we will see the next method. In the next method, what we will do, click on the cell where you want the result, that is B5 suppose. Now click on the maths and trig, click on LCM there, and as I told you in the earlier that we can provide the range also, because the cells are in continuous nature, so you can provide the range also. So just provide the range like right there, B2 colon, it's a B4. Suppose I given the range B2 colon B4, and you just see the output instantly, and as you click OK there, you'll get the result again, the same one. Now this time I used what? I used range there. So this is about the LCM there. Now one more function we are having. We are not referring to all the functions there because many functions are there, so we are not referring all of them. So now GCD function. GCD is used for calculating the greatest common divisor, or you can say highest common factor of two or more integers there. So it is the largest positive integer that divides the number without a remainder. Completely divide the number without a remainder. So the same numbers we are taking here. Suppose for this I want to find the GCD. Again the same pattern. Click on the cell where you want the result. Click on the formulas tab. Go to the maths and trig and search for the GCD. I search for the GCD here. Click on the GCD and the function will get inserted here. Now In the number, as I told you earlier, that you can provide number individually or in the range also. So let's suppose we are providing the numbers. Third method is also there. Click on the number, click on this arrow, click and just drag your mouse. As you drag your mouse, you will come to notice that whatever cells you will select there, its address is copied in the argument as a range. So just see, as a argument is selected the range there. So now instantly you will get the result 5, and when you press OK, you will get the GCD of all these three integers and the range inserted like this. Okay, so there are three methods to get that value, or you can say address in the arguments, or you can manually write it, you can write it manually also. So these are two things we are having, GCD and all these things. Now suppose children, or whoever is watching here, sometimes we have to search for the function. We don't know where to find the function in which library and whatever, but we know the name, so we can just search the function from there. So we are having function for insert function option there. You can see on the formulas tab, insert function. You can do what? You can press shift plus 3 also. So you click on the shift insert function, you will get what? Insert function dialog box. Now here you can just say I want to sum all these three numbers. Numbers are given, to see I can search here. So I will do what? I can just search here. Suppose I say sum. Click on this, write the sum and click on the go, and you will find that sum function here. Click on the OK there. You will get a dialog box for the sum function, and now select the arguments there. Suppose I want to search this one only. I want the sum here, so I select, drag the mouse from the first cell to the last cell and get the range in that, and now click OK. So now you can see here, get the function there, sum C8 to C10. First method. Second method to get the insert function is the, we all know that, common one, this one. If you see this area near the formula bar left side, you will see the insert function option again. Click on this and again you will get the same thing. Now you can search for any of the function there. Suppose this time I want product. Write the product, click on the go, and you'll get the product function in the dialog box, and just click OK. Now it's asking for the range. It select the previous range. You can provide a new range also. Just click on this, provide the range, and instantly you get the result here, and OK, you get the result here. Okay, now next is, so this is what insert function option we are having. So you can click on insert function and get one more place where you can find the insert function is the home tab, and nearby you will just click on that auto sum, and when you click on the more function, you will get the insert function option again. Okay children, all of you there. So we are having auto sum function also there, as I think all of you know what is auto sum is used for. Not only for the sum, but it can be used for average, count, max and min, whatever functions we learned already. You can click on them and that function will get inserted here, and we can work it out. Okay, in the next video I will tell you about some important functions which can be applied on the text. So thank you for this, and see you in the next video.